Are you worried about using topical steroids? Some people have what's called steroid phobia. Is it warranted? Yes and no. Topical steroids, if you overuse them and they're highly potent, can cause a lot of side effects. They can actually cause thinning of the skin. Believe it or not, they can actually cause stretch marks that can be irreversible. They can cause blood vessels to pop out. And there are a lot of reasons for why topical steroids actually may cause other side effects such as acne if used on the face. So there's a lot of things that we actually have to consider when we use topical steroids. But topical steroids are some of the most effective therapies in dermatology if used appropriately. So you really need to lean on your dermatologist about what strength, how long, when you should use it, and when you should back off of it. Dermatologists are known for using topical steroids. So are we overusing topical steroids? If you have eczema or even psoriasis or other conditions, topical steroids are often used to treat rashes on the skin. But topical steroids do come with side effects. You have to be very careful in how you use them, where you use them, how long you use them, and what kind of topical steroid you use. A lot of people are afraid of topical steroids because they're afraid that they may have some kind of systemic exposure to it, particularly children, that it might affect their growth. The fear is actually real because if you use high potency topical steroids too much throughout most of the body, you can actually have effects systemically on the body. However, when used properly, topical steroids are very effective, very safe, and very, very, very useful. When we talk about topical steroids, they're definitely not the kind of steroids you hear about in the gym. They're not anabolic steroids. They're anti-inflammatory steroids. They're delivered either topically, orally, or through a needle by way of an injection. So these are very safe steroids to use without the kinds of side effects that you might think about for the anabolic steroids. However, they do have side effects and you need to consider them when speaking with your dermatologist.